Life.
Hello everyone, welcome to Jungle Life. In tropical forests, the climate is often very hot and humid. The climate is found near the equator. That means there's more direct sunlight hitting the land and sea there than anywhere else. To survive in the forest, people have to create cool shelter. Today, we will build a house with two forestmen, but around it is an aquarium. Start off the work. Digging, and continuing to dig. Choose a suitable location, surrounded by trees to create natural shade. Tropical forests are extremely important to humans and animals, as sources of food, shelter and medicine, and as climatic and environmental stabilizer. Sadly, many of the world's forests are under siege from human population expansion and related impacts. As Southeast Asian saying, no forest, no life. People are the conversational solution. People protect nature when they experience it, understand it, and benefit from it. We are trying to live the best life in the forest. We hope you understand our hearts. They have completed the frame of the house. Continue to dig to make an aquarium. The house must be about 1 meter away from the aquarium to ensure water does not penetrate the wall. Nightfall, but they are still working. The roof is made of fresh palm leaves and stems. Hello, new day! Look at our 2 men full of energy. What are they looking for? The rocks in the forest are very large and all grow moss above. Oh, they use stone to build as a wall. Third days of work. Bamboo ropes are still fully utilized. Additional layer of gravel. Limestone in the forest as decoration. One fish in the cage. Oh, one more fish. Let's catch it. 1, 2, 3. We can catch it. Haha. Put the fish in the tank, and the structure is done. Yay! Do you find this how an aquarium to cool the summer heat? Please leave a comment and share your feelings with us after watching the videos in the comments. Do not forget to like, share, comment and press the tracking bell to not miss any interesting videos of survival lesson. Goodbye and see you again.